Mortgage triangle. The most efficient way of paying your mortgage off early is to use the least amount of your most precious resources, time, and money. To accomplish this, you'll want to look at your mortgage in the shape of a triangle with all three sides of the mortgage triangle assiduous with one another. Two of the three sides are not in your control: computation of interest and payroll, which sets the stage for the third side you do control: payments. Orchestrating these three sides of the mortgage triangle to be harmonious with one another should be your ultimate goal, where one side puts down, the other side picks up seamlessly and transparently. Since it's your lender's loan, they establish the parameters of the mortgage triangle by computing interest on 28-day cycles, whereby your payroll department follows suit with derivatives of the same every 14 days. Taking two 14-day pay cycles to pay one 28-day monthly payment is one thing. Paying a 28-day interest cycle with a 30.5-day payment is quite another. Two sides of the mortgage triangle are divisible by 28. The last thing you want to do is make a 30.5-day payment. To make the third side of the triangle be in the same quotidian, payments need to be made every 28 days or derivatives of every 28 days. Do not confuse paying every 30.5 days with paying every 28 days. The earlier will get only 12 payments to lenders annually, keeping borrowers poor, where the latter is a game changer, getting 13 payments to lenders, making borrowers rich. 14-day debits are on your side, 30-day payments are on your lender's side. If you get paid biweekly, for heaven's sakes, pay your bills biweekly. You'll find it much easier on your cash flow, coming up with half of a payment every time you get paid rather than a full payment once a month. In addition, paying your mortgage every 14 days puts your payments on the same or a derivative of the same algorithm your lender calculates interest on. By setting your budget up on a biweekly, you'll be leveling the playing field with all 26 of your paychecks contributing toward your mortgage payment, and will transform you from being poor borrower to a rich one. Subtract the same dollar amount that you deducted from your previous 24 paychecks from your 2 extra windfall checks, so you can automate your pay cycles more easily as each paycheck is apportioned equally. If you get paid other than biweekly, you will more likely than not be receiving more compensation over fewer pay cycles, giving you the wherefore in a perfect world to save 1/24 or 1/12, depending on whether you get paid semi-monthly or monthly, more of a mortgage payment per pay cycle. At the end of 6 months, you'll be able to replicate a biweekly payment schedule, sending to your lender an extra half monthly payment. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, which helps grow the channel, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this content in the future. Thank you very much for listening.